channel Hugs and Giggles. Today I brought a new video for all the girls out there who are a fan of Barbie dolls. Oh my god, I just love Barbies. So without wasting time, let's start. I bought this toy from Hamleys and it has 5 dolls. So let me tell you, this is the blue and pink haired one. And here comes pink and white. And here is black. You can see black, green and purple color. Purple is little bit in her hair. Now we can see pink and purple yellow hair. And here is orangish and yellowish hair. So now I like this hair because it is pink in color. I like pink color so much. And I forgot to tell you, these were the 5 surprises that come along in this box. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now I'll open it. Let me see. Let me try. I will do it. I've opened it. Twist, twist, twist. Wow! So many surprises. And this is a blue colored doll. I think it is painted, yeah? Now I'm gonna open the packaging of the doll. I need scissors to do this. Wow! See, its hands are moving and its face is also moving. Now legs. Now for the revealing part, I need this bottle container. Now first we have to put the Barbie doll inside. Now we have to add lukewarm water. See what's happening? See his face? Oh wow, you can see it's revealing. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna open it up the lid. So let's open it. I can't wait to see the Barbie doll. Oh, it has mustard hair and blue top, swimming suit and a flower. It is hibiscus. So you can now see the doll. It's so beautiful. It's wearing a blue swimsuit and with flower. It is hibiscus. Now I'm going to dry it up. See the tissues. Dry, dry, dry. Dry its legs. Dry its arms. Dry its body. Yes, now drying is done. Now I'll keep the doll here and let's open the surprises. Now I'm gonna open the first surprise. Oh, it's good. See, it's so beautiful. Yeah, you can see it. I'm going to keep it here. Let's open this surprise. This is it. Here's the scissors. Oh. See the sponge? You can see it is the cloud-shaped sponge. Yes, it's so cute. Let's keep it here. Now we open the third surprise. Let's see what's in. Oh no, what not. Yeah. See the shoes. They're so cute. A pink color. Let me take. Yes. See the pen. It's so cute. Pink shoes. Pink, pink. I like pink color. And it's time to do the makeup. And let's take the sponge. Where's the sponge? Can you help me? Yes. Just here. I'll take the cold water. It is the iced water. We'll make it stand. Or you can make it sit also. I think the eyes are already revealed when I was doing the shaking part, but the lipstick hasn't. So let's do it. I'm gonna sweep.
So we need cold water for this?
Yes, it's cold icy water. Can you see? The lips have changed. It's pink lipstick, baby pink lipstick. Now that the makeup is done, then let's put the clothes. It's the skirt. See how beautiful it is. You have to put your legs. Good girl. Just a little bit. You cry. See, so beautiful. Now I will put the wig. Let's see how it goes. I don't know because I'm doing it for the first time. Just I'm trying to do it. See the doll. See the doll is looking so beautiful. Now let's put the shoes. See, shoes are so beautiful. I just like them. I want these shoes too. Mom, will you buy me these shoes?
Not now.
See?
Can you show us?
Yes, I'll show you. I'm so happy that I got this doll. I just love it. It is my favorite. See, the hair are so beautiful. Pinkish and yellowish and purplish. You can see. And the dress is so beautiful, and the shoes, I cannot say about it. I just like it. If you are a Barbie lover like me, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also do write in the comment box what are your thoughts for this Barbie doll. Bye friends.